In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a PayPal business account for your Shopify store. Navigating through these initial steps can sometimes feel daunting, but I'm here to guide you through the process, making it as seamless and straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is your home base for managing your online store. Once you're logged in, locate the My Store or Home option. It's usually prominently featured on the Shopify admin page. Simply click there to start setting things up for your business. With the main dashboard open, look over to the lower end of the left-hand sidebar, where you will find the Settings option. Click on it. This will be your next step in customizing your store's operations to suit your business needs. Settings is where all the back-end magic happens, letting you control various features of your shop. As you move deeper into the settings, find and select the Payments section. This area is critical as it deals with handling transactions securely and efficiently. Once you're in the Payments section, you'll be presented with several options for payment methods, ensuring that your customers have multiple convenient ways to pay for your products or services. To integrate PayPal as a payment method, click on the Add Payment Method. This is your gateway to enabling PayPal, one of the most popular and trusted online payment systems. PayPal provides a seamless checkout experience for customers worldwide and assures them of secure transactions. After clicking Add Payment Method, you'll be prompted to connect your PayPal business account. If you don't have a PayPal business account yet, you can easily create one from here. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by PayPal, which may include entering your business details and linking your bank account to start processing payments. It's essential to make sure that all your business information is accurate and up to date. Once your PayPal business account is set up, return to Shopify and complete the integration process. Linking PayPal to Shopify only takes a few clicks, and then once complete, it will be reflected in the Payments section, and this ensures a smooth transaction process for all the purchases your customers make in your store. And just like that, your PayPal business account is ready and linked to your Shopify store. You now have a reliable payment method set up, which not only enhances your store's credibility, but also improves the overall shopping experience for your customers. Remember, a secure and easy checkout process can significantly boost your conversions and customer satisfaction. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy selling!